In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your camera in Microsoft Teams without joining a meeting. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's dive into Method 1, which involves using the global settings within Microsoft Teams. Start by opening the Microsoft Teams application on your computer. If you do not have it open yet, go ahead and launch it now. Once you're in the app, look to the top right corner of the window. You should see your profile picture. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, select Settings. This will open a new window where you can tweak various preferences for your team's experience. In the Settings window, look at the left-hand sidebar, and you will find several options. Click on the Devices tab. This section is crucial for what we're about to do, as it allows you to configure your audio and video devices. Now, scroll down until you reach the Camera section. Here, you can select your preferred camera if you have multiple webcams connected to your computer. If there's just one camera, it will automatically be selected. Choosing the right camera is an essential step to ensure that your video quality is what you expect it to be. Once you've selected your camera, a preview window will appear. This preview is crucial because it allows you to see exactly how you'll appear on video calls. Check your framing to ensure you're centered, consider the lighting in your environment, and take a quick look at the video quality overall. This is your chance to make any adjustments before you hop into a meeting. Now, let's move on to Method 2, which allows you to test your camera just before joining a scheduled meeting. If you have a meeting coming up soon, click the Join button when it's time to enter. This may seem like a straightforward step, but there's more to it when it comes to testing your camera. After clicking Join, you will be taken to a pre-join screen. This screen is very handy because it gives you a live preview of your camera feed before you enter the meeting officially. While you're here, take a moment to check that everything looks good. This includes ensuring that you're framed correctly and that the lighting is flattering. On this pre-join screen, you'll also find an option to toggle your video on or off. Use this toggle switch to determine whether your camera will be active as soon as you join the meeting. If everything looks good and you're ready, you can turn the video on. If there's something you'd like to adjust, take your time, as you can always come back to this screen for quick checks before entering any meeting. So there you go. Now you know how to test your camera in Microsoft Teams without the need to join a meeting first. By utilizing the global settings and the pre-join screen, you can ensure that you're always looking your best before any calls. Happy conferencing!